Good evening, students. Welcome back to social science class. Today we will continue the topic sources of history. Before that, we will have a small recap of that lesson. The lesson name is medieval period. As Indian history is divided into three main periods: ancient period, medieval period, and the modern period. This lesson based on the medieval period. In that, you have already learnt the medieval period time frame, geography in India during this period, and the salient features of the medieval period. And today we are going to see about sources of India. Our lesson name medieval period. Sources of India is divided into two main categories: archaeological and literary sources. As in the archaeological sources, you have already studied about monuments, sculptures, paintings, buildings, and coins. So, today we are going to deal with literary sources. Literary sources, it refers to the written materials, written forms from the past. Historians in the past, during the medieval period, they tried to bring the lifestyle of the people in the past in the written forms, and they created and they invented the biographies and the autobiographies of many kings, chronicles by historians and foreign travelers, and accounts by pilgrims, traders, and royal ambassadors. So, literary sources can be further classified into indigenous and foreign writers. Indigenous, in the sense, our own people, our own Indian people, and the foreign writers, people who came from the other part of the world, other country. So, indigenous and foreign writers. So, we are going to deal with this two writing people. And here, sources of medieval period, you have already seen inscriptions, coins, historical buildings. Now we will move on to the religious and non-religious literature. Here you can see the pictures. These are some examples of literary sources. It's an ancient Indian manuscripts, some literary books, some literary biographies and autobiographies of the Indian leaders, Indian kings. In that, Amir Khusrau, he is an important figure in the period of modern history. He is an important person in the period of medieval. He is an Indian scholar and a poet. He wrote many books, he wrote many volumes about the rulers during the medieval period in India. And the main one and the main things I have listed out here. The first one is Tariq-i-Alai. It's about Aladdin's Khalji's rule, and Tughlaq Nama about the Tughlaq dynasty, and Miftaq ul Futuq. These all the things are about the kings and their ruling time. And now goes to the biographies and autobiographies of some Indian peoples. Autobiographies such as Babar's Babarnama and Jahangir's Tuzuki Jahangiri, and biographies like Abul Fazl Akbar's Nama were written during this period. Here in this picture, you can see a person's face. He is called Abul Fazl. He is an author, he is an Iranian author, and he came to India and he wrote about the lifestyle, the kingdom of Akbar. And he wrote about Akbar called Akbarnama, and he wrote about him into three volumes. The third volume of the above work is known as Ainai Akbari, which is the administrative report of Akbar's reign. Reign in the sense the ruling time. Reign, reign means the ruling time. He is called Abul Fazl, we will say Abul Fazl. He wrote about Akbar called Akbarnama. He wrote into 3 volumes called the third volume named Ainai Akbari. And like this, he wrote many books